Ever dreamed of becoming a billionaire? Today we're breaking down the blueprint for 2024, giving you the tools and strategies to turn that dream into a reality. Forget course. This is about building your future with calculated risk and relentless execution. We're talking about the titans of industry, the innovators who dared to odds and reshape the vision. Get ready to ignite your ambition and step into a world of unlimited potential.
The first step on your journey to billionaire status is identifying a business idea with explosive growth potential. Think big, think bold, think about industries on the verge of disruption. What problems keep you up at night? The best business ideas often emerge from a personal pain point or a deep-seated passion. Choose an idea that resonates with your core values and fuels your drive to succeed. Embrace the unknown, challenge conventional wisdom, and let your imagination run wild. Research your target audience, analyze your competitors, and understand the competitive landscape. Now that you have a killer idea, it's time to build the vehicle that will take you to the top, a rock-solid business plan. Start with a clear vision statement. What impact do you want to make on the world? Outline your business model, target market, competitive advantage, and marketing strategies. A well-structured business plan is crucial for attracting investors and securing the necessary funding. It shows them you're serious and have a clear path to success. A well-crafted business plan serves as your guiding star throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Even the most brilliant ideas need fuel to take flight. In the world of business, that fuel is funding. From angel investors and venture capitalists to crowdfunding platforms and government grants, there are more ways than ever to secure the resources you need. Craft a compelling pitch deck that showcases your idea's potential, your team's expertise, and your plan for achieving exponential growth. Don't be afraid to knock on every door, attend every pitch event, and network with potential investors relentlessly. Believe in your vision, articulate it with passion, and never give up on your dream. You've built an incredible product or service, secured the necessary funding, and you're ready to take the world by storm. But there's a catch. No one knows you exist. In today's digital age, it's not enough to simply have a great product. You need to cut through the noise and capture the attention of your target audience. Embrace the power of social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to reach your target audience where they spend their time. Build a strong brand identity that resonates with your core values and differentiates you from the competition. Experiment with different channels, analyze your data, and adapt your strategy based on what works best for your business. The business world is in a constant state of flux. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to embrace a mindset of continuous innovation and adaptation. Encourage a culture of experimentation within your company. Empower your team to challenge the status quo, explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Keep a close eye on emerging technologies and industry trends. Whether it's optimizing your product, streamlining your processes, or enhancing your customer experience, never stop iterating and improving. No one achieves greatness in isolation. Surround yourself with a network of mentors, advisors, and peers who can offer guidance, support, and inspiration. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with successful individuals in your field. Learn from their experiences, seek their advice, and build relationships that can last a lifetime. Be generous with your time, knowledge, and connections. Building a strong network is not only beneficial for your business, it's also incredibly enriching on a personal level. There you have it, the blueprint to unlock your billionaire potential. Now it's time to take action. Embrace the challenges, embrace the risks, and never lose sight of your dreams. Start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next billionaire on the Forbes list.